Hi, today we're going to use Edublocks to code some dance moves. Start by logging in with your school Google account. And then click Get Started. We're going to be using a programming language called Python. Give your project a name and start coding. On the left we have a menu of blocks that we can drag in to connect up our code, and on the right is the Python code itself. We're going to be using the blocks because it will help us with any spelling mistakes that we could make. We can start by making a print statement which will print a result to the screen. In this case here we want to print clap clap clap, and we connect that to our starting code block. When we press run, it should print our text to the screen. Now we want to do that multiple times, so we can also drag in a loop, and we're going to use a for loop. Drag the for loop into your code, and we can drag our print statement inside the loop. We want to do this twice, so we'll change the number in the range there to 2, and it will do that twice. And we can run the code to check that. And so now we have 6 claps. We can even put loops inside loops. So if we drag another loop after our clap clap clap, but still inside our first for loop, we can put another statement inside there and repeat that 2 times. We'll drag in another print statement, being careful to choose the one with quotes because we're getting some text printed to the screen rather than a variable. And we can put our text inside there. Hands behind head, hands on waist. And we can test our code. And our dance moves are looking pretty good so far. Notice when you're dragging blocks around that anything inside a loop will come with it. And sometimes you might want to rearrange some blocks, and so you might have to drag any subsequent blocks separately. You can also right click to duplicate a block, and notice when a block is not connected to the main code, it's faded out. Any code that isn't connected to the block won't run when the code is run. Press save to save your project and click share and click copy link to submit on Compass. Try it yourself.